In this particular question, a lift starts from top of a mine shaft and descends with a constant speed 10 meter per second. So, from a mine shaft, a lift starts descending downward with a constant speed 10 meter per second. 4 seconds later, a boy throws a stone vertically upwards from the top of the shaft with a speed of 30 meter per second. So, a boy throws a particle with initial speed 30 meter per second 4 seconds later. Now we need to find when and where stone hits the lift. So we need to find the position and time where the stone hits the lift. Let us assume that the stone hits s distance below the shaft, and let the time taken by the lift to descend this particular distance is t, such that the stone takes a time t minus 4 seconds to travel that particular distance s again. So displacement of both lift and stone has to be same. So here from we can write, for the lift s is equal to, or rather minus s is equal to minus 10 into t, and for the stone it is minus s is equal to 30 t minus 4 minus half g t minus 4 square. So if I put the value of s to be equal to, so minus 10 t is equal to 30 t minus 4. If I put the value of g to be 10, so it is 5 t minus 4 square. So it can be written as 5 t minus 4 square minus 30 t minus 4 minus 10 t is equal to 0. It can be divided by 5. So it is t square minus 8t plus 16 minus 60 plus 24 minus 2t is equal to 0, or we have t square minus 8 plus 6, 14 plus 2, that is minus 16t plus 40, that is equal to 0. So the time is t is equal to half minus b plus minus root over b square, that is 16 square minus 4 into 1 into 40. So this is equal to half 16 plus minus 256 minus 160. So it is equal to half 16 plus minus root 96, or 8 plus minus root 96 by 4, that is 8 plus minus root 24, that is equal to 8 plus minus 2 root 6. And as the time has to be greater than 4 seconds, this implies the time to be 8 plus 2 root 6 seconds. This is the time after which the stone hits the lift, and within this time, distance traveled by the lift s is equal to 10t, that is equal to 10 into 8 plus 2 root 6 meter. So it is 80 plus 20 root 6 meter. That is the distance traveled by the lift within this time.